Hey everybody, I just did better than I did a minute ago. Let me light that up. Look at that. 1,000 meters, 1 minute 55.7. New PR, new personal best. Wow, let me show you this. Alright, it's that one right there. Zoom in on it. I'm going to do the verification and take a picture. Wow. I actually calibrated in between the rides. I rested, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, and I put it at a higher. Let me show you what I did. I ain't moved it or nothing. So 10 is right here, 9 is here, and I got it dead on 8. And I stood up the whole time, the whole 1,000 meters, and I went as fast as I could. Let me get out here where I can talk. Well, the wind. Let me figure out which way it is. Dang, wind. Wind's blowing right in my face. I can't tell. Okay. Let me see. I think I might could do this and you might could hear me. I'm at CrossFit, where normally we'd have a class, but it's the day before Thanksgiving. So it's an open gym for open workouts. So, what I want to tell you is this. The other day, when I was videotaping them lay down that asphalt, the contractor called the police on me. Yeah, and I know my rights. So when the police got there, the sheriff's car pulled up at the same time. So when the sheriff car got out of his car and they was huddled up, I walked right by them, less than 3 feet from all of them. And I was on the school property, but I was where the sidewalk used to be. And they wouldn't nothing. None of the police or the deputy, none of them said a word to me. They knew I knew my rights. I could film anything from the road or from property like the public school, where I'm not on the actual school grounds, but I'm on the highway frontage and or the sidewalk that wasn't closed. But I said all that to tell you this. Free speech is very important. And if we ain't careful, we're going to lose it all. So I'm not pushing the envelope with these people because I want to be friendly with them. I ain't got no harm in what they're doing, except to tell you that the street over there by Walmart, you know where I'm talking about, runs from Walmart all the way to Apple Market. Look at how they built that. That was Heartland. Heartland, totally different another company, but Heartland bid it on Jackson Wyden Street project, and they bid it like $2 million over. Well, they should have went with them. That's all I'm going to say about that. They should have went with them. But yeah, you can look at the quality over the next 5-10 years of what the road in front of Walmart all the way down to Apple Market is, and then just watch what happens to this one. Everywhere they dug across the road to put the pipes, the drainage systems, they put a quick, kind of like a quick type of concrete across it that stayed matched for maybe a week, and then it started breaking apart and sinking, and it's still sinking. They went in and patched some of the worst spots, but if they put asphalt over the top of from curb line to curb line, and not fix where we got these sink-in hole problems right now, they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing according to the contract. And if you're a taxpayer, yeah, they're messing with us. And I don't like nobody messing with me when it comes to my free speech and my right to have a adult conversation about these things. let them get offended. See how far that's going to get them. But so that just makes me think about free speech when they do me like that. It ain't the first time they called the police on me. The last time I videotaped the contact with the officer, and he asked me for my ID. And I told him point blank I didn't have to give him my ID, but I did. I gave it to him, and told him that I was giving it to him under distress. They already knew who I was. They've been knowing me for years. I've been here 7 years. Hell, I started making contact with them back when they was Riverside Bridge was being closed down. All that mess. So don't let nobody intimidate you, people. We're coming up on some rocky roads, some confusing times. But I'm gonna make some more videos about what's ahead. All right, y'all have a good one.